Now we're going to set up our Salesforce system user. This system user is what connects Marketing Cloud to our CRM environment. For optimal security and performance, it's recommended that you set aside a dedicated user license in your CRM environment for this purpose. So let's get started. So we're going to make sure we're in the setup menu, and we're going to type in users in the quick find box here and click users. And then we're going to create a new user. So click on new user. And when you're setting up this new user, it's recommended that you put a first name of something like MC and last name Connect-CRM. So the name will be MC Connect-CRM. And the alias will fill out by itself. And for the email, it's recommended that you put something like MC-Connect-CRM and then @ and then yourcompanyname.com. So you'd fill in this information right here with your company, and then the username will populate, and the nickname will populate by itself as well. You can change the username and nickname as well, and you can put in information right here. That's up to you. And for the user license, it needs to be Salesforce, and then for the profile, it needs to be a system administrator. And if we scroll down to additional information, we need to have Marketing Cloud for AppExchange admin checkbox checked, and we need to have the Marketing Cloud for AppExchange user checkbox checked. And make sure to generate a new password and notify the user immediately, and then click Save. And that's how you set up the Salesforce system user.